That's his feet, that is?
Yeah.
Is that your feet?
Yeah.
You gonna go in the water?
Yeah, and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was a big one.
Jump it. There it is. Ready to jump it? Ready to jump this one? Ready to jump it? No. Oh, maybe. It is. There you go, girls. Stingray. See how Stu? Can you see it?
Yeah.
There it is. It's moving that way. Just don't do your shoulder strap.
Huh? Don't do your shoulder.
Oh, beautiful.
Alright, we're getting stood up now. Yeah. Get in, get in, get in.
Oh! That was so close.
Yummy.
Yummy?
Yummy cream.
Is it really yummy?
Yep.
Are you liking this place? Why do you like this place?
It
Okay.
has a park. I'll get one. I'm going to show you guys how we do zip line if you know. That is it, guys. Let's run away from I got this. Slide. This one. Yes, Mum.
Time to give it back to me. Thank you.
That one's for.
No, I don't want to be filmed on yours.
Enough. Quick.
No. How
Yeah.
did you get it?
Mum, this, you can try your best.
Yeah, it bounced.
Can I try?
Mum will have another go, yeah.
I want to try. I want to try. That was a good one.
Just be careful, Stu.
Bang.
Evelyn was...
On the money. On the money, Megan.
Oh!
Am I getting out of bucket?
You girls having fun?
Yes. We're just playing a game. We're playing a game when the animal's sick.
Okay. What flavour did you
When
get?
you hire a van, it comes with
Sprinkles with vanilla. Cheers.
Cheers.
And can we go to the park after?
You get it back after. Coconut chop. How's the apple crumble?
Ice cream.
Good? It's like Cowtown. Everywhere you go, it's got a cow. There's a bit of cows everywhere, isn't there?
Yep. It's super tour? Great! That's art. That's my
Yeah, it's the art gallery. And what's around here?
That's it.
What does it say?
Lolly.
No, it doesn't say that. Can you read it out?
Candy. Candy.
Just so much lolly.
Mom, I can't have. I don't really like. So look.
Put it down.
So look at this one. We just need to look for lolly. Yeah, Mom.
Smile. Decently long jetty.
Right then, I don't want to get into it.
How's that for sunset, sweetie?
It's good for.
It's good for fishing, is it?
Can I do this? Mom, can I do this?
No. We checked all the tide systems for down here to see what it'd be like. And this is one of the lowest points of the day. It only gets higher from here. Bit rocky. Oh, okay, how's that for you? I know that is the Let's go! You okay? That's a bit windy. Just go and have a look at the water down here. We will, but isn't that pretty? It's freaking you out.
Hey, Bubba. Hey, Thea. How's the rock pools look? Good?
You looking at the wave? It's pretty cool there. Thumbs up.
purple, pink, and blue, and 3 colors. Why is there every time? What number?
Everything?
32. Everything.
You look a little bit tired after today.
What number are you, Nanny? Because we're 32.
What colour is it? What's that colour?
Purple.
Evelyn, which way?
Is that yummy?
Me and Nanny got a flower but one time, and then we put it in our garden when they were carrying a mask one time, and then because it's the purple one was for Sammy, I think, or me.
What does it taste like, your ice cream?
Yummy.
Tastes like, what is it?
Lemon, and it will make me good.
Making you good, does it? Yeah. You just like having out the purple come go to. Okay.
I'm playing. I'm going up to the ladder to go up really hard.
Actually a decently like big playground. Ooh. Are you walking on the whale?
Good.
Feels good, does it?
Water's coming up.
Later.
Hello, guys.
Sailing ship visits Busselton,
Bye-bye.
as it is the only place along the jetty where a sailing ship
So my husband put clothes in the washing machine before we left on the weekend and forgot to take them out and put them in the dryer, which meant we got stuck with a whole heap of wet clothes that we had to transport home. Thankfully, we had the large towel, so I'm just going to open it up. So we just used one side, which was the waterproof side, and I just put all those wet clothes in here. And the good thing about that was this is perfectly dry. I did use a towel in here just because they were really wet straight out of the washing machine. So they're gonna have to, it's gonna have to be re-washed and everything. But at least we'll be able to transport them back home, wet, but no problems.